my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is going to be a very exciting video because it's going to be my easy glam makeup for Valentine's Day. And usually for Valentine's Day I like to go with that red or pink theme, but today is a different theme. It is more of a just simple easy glam. So yeah, I'm creating this look for Valentine's Day and I am super excited because I will be using the little mini nude palette from Natasha Denona, and it's just super cute. And yeah, I've been purchasing some Natasha Denona stuff, you guys. So yeah, this is $25 for this palette, and I think it's a good deal. Natasha Denona palettes, you know how expensive they cost. They cost like $100. Yeah, but it's been a minute since I last filmed. I know my last video was like a week ago. But yes, I have to try and get on this, you guys. Yeah, let's jump into this video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue watching. Let's go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial. And today we are going for an easy glam Valentine's Day look. And for that, I'm going into my Natasha Denona Mini Nude palette. And this is one of Natasha Denona new little mini palettes, and I feel like it's super cute. Just very simple shades in here, and I thought it was the perfect palette to use for this tutorial. And before going into the eyes, I'm going to prep my face first. I'm going to try this new primer that I just got from my BoxyCharm. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem primer. That's pretty smart. Problem, but it's like problem. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. Just going to apply that onto my skin. A nice smell to it, and I've been really liking like priming my face first. Usually I don't do this step, but I've been just wanting to set my face with primer first. I'm going in with my Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and I don't like this as a concealer, but I've been liking this for my eyes. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the eyes. Go into this orangey shade called Sienna. Going to be my crease shade, and it's just going to start off my makeup look. The next shade I am going into is called Bronze Age. This is like a nice burgundy shade. I just like to bring it towards the center and just blend it. Back into that crease shade and adding some more of that on top. I'm going back with the Jouer concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that right in that space that I left. I am going in with this beautiful shade right in the middle here called Lumino. Pop that right where I put the concealer.
Until like nobody was watching, but it's so
I have this shade called Spice from Jonte Blue. This is actually a lip liner pencil. Super cute, like mauve tone shade, which I feel like will be perfect for this look. Only applying this shade. Oh, it's very nice. Let's add this onto the other side. Nice. Foundation, I am going in with this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear foundation. So this is L'Oreal's new foundation that everybody has been raving about. And I completely understand why everybody's been raving about it, because it is really, really good. It has like a really like watery texture. So it's like super lightweight. It smells really nice too. I really like that. Let's see, I have my Born This Way multi concealer. Alright. Next up is bronzer, and what's new? Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer is my fave. So if we are going out on Valentine's Day, I am busting out my Marc Jacobs. But I went ahead and did my brows, so they are on. I powdered my face, and then I have my bronzer on right now. For blush, we are going in with this Morphe blush trio, and this is the Pop of Rose. I actually haven't used this in a while, so I'm popping it out. I am going in with these two shades right here, this one in Legendary, and this one in Driven. So these two. I'm going to add these two shades from my Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour palette right here. I've been loving this combo up here. Ever since I saw Kristen Dominique did this, I've just been obsessed with it. Like, it's just really truly brightens like underneath your eyes. So I don't know if you guys can tell that, but I've been just loving it. I got these two lashes that I want to go into, either my Kiss Lashes Couture in the style Gala or my Morphe Seductress lashes, which I've worn a lot. So I might go into my Gala one here from Kiss. Lashes are on. I'm going to work on the lower lash line and just going back into this shade out here, the darker shade. The lower lash line, I'm going into my Marc Jacobs Pink of Me eyeliner, and I am going to add some of this on the lower waterline. Just want to open up my eyes a little bit. Some highlighter, and I am going in with my Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. How gorgeous this color is. So I'm going in with my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, but I like using these flat brushes for my highlight. You see that? Gorgeous. I'm going to finish off with the lips, and for the lips I have this one, this Bite Beauty lip pencil here, and this is the matte cream lip crayon in the shade Glaze. So it looks like this, and it's this nice pinky shade. And then I'm going in with this mini little Bite Beauty. This is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Chai. This is the lips. This is the look. And I'm going to finish off with my Lancome Fix It and Forget It setting spray. Okay, you guys, this is the final look, and I really hope you guys like this look. I feel like it's really easy. It's like a really simple, most of the time it's like my everyday look too, like especially if I don't really like know what to do with my eyes. I really just like to gravitate towards this look. So yeah, I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for watching my video today, you guys, and I really hope you guys can recreate this look for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!